BSc community. I am Newton. I am a blockchain trainer and a crypto consultant. Here I am going to share you my experience with the Mavro leadership course, which I have been taught by mentor Patrick. As well as I am very thankful to our Triple M Academy head Miss C. In Mavro leadership course, we have learnt goal, how to set it, self-assessment of the own as well as for the team, leadership qualities, how you have to be a good leader and to train your team building, action plan, mind map, prospecting and timelines, SWOT analysis, presentation skills, social media skills, supporting skills, communication, how effective you have to give a communication so that people will get attracted, be a listener, and communication, time management skills, event planning, online and offline marketing, and many more. So don't wait for it. Let's be a part of the Triple M Academy. Come together, join together, and together we will change the world. You can contact me anytime. To my WhatsApp number 98415-25552. I will be sharing my contact details in my video. Come and join together. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Roshan Drolia from India, and here I'm talking about Triple M BSc Academy. I joined Triple M BSc Academy MLC course, and it's a very wonderful thing I have learned. I'm very happy to join this course because in this course I have learned a lot of things. Leadership skills. I learned leadership skills. We discuss about leadership because as we know, leadership is leadership, but no, they are principle of leadership, factor of leadership, how to build your leadership, because leader is not born by leader. Leader is made by education. If we know how to lead and how to leadership, we can success in our life. It's clear my vision. It is a vision we can create in team. Without a vision, a team can't do big things. In this chapter, in these modules, we learn how to know prospects, how to lead your prospects, how to recognize your prospects, and to-do lists, and different type of mentorship, because counselor and mentors both are different. In this course, I learned different way of skills to mentorship and prospectings and visions and goal settings and Trello report. Because Trello report, through Trello report, we can share our planning and contribute our planning to our teams. So this will help us to in life, and we can, using these techniques, we can success in life. So I request everyone to join Triple M BSc Academy courses. These are unique and free. We can happy to learn these techniques, and these are very, very useful. So thank you friends, and I request to join Triple M BSc Academy. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Deepak Senapati from Mumbai and especially from India. Today I am going to share about my experience in Triple M BSc Academy, what I have learned from this MNC, means Mavro leadership course, and how the experience was, and so that the people in the future can be encouraged and can be benefited from the experience what I have. So let's start. After completion of my MBC from the couple of weeks before, I joined MLC here, Mavro leadership course conducted by the Triple M BSc. It's a wonderful experience I have till now. Today is the 4th day, and I'm going to present a presentation also in the Zoom meeting. I'm much more excited to attend that session and to learn more things. First day, we have an experience learned about how to create the objective, because without an objective nothing can be done, no projects can be completed, no achievements can be done. So there should be a strong objective, and there should be a clear vision and mission and values for a team, for a organization to grow. Particularly it should have some vision and mission and values. That thing we learn, and we have experienced how to create our vision, how to create our mission, and what are the values should be there to successful in the future, in the life. Then we learned about goal setting. Without goal, a vision also useless. So we need to have a goal, and after goal setting we need to distribute the task, what are the tasks to be done, and how it should be distributed to form a team, and there should be a proper action plan. These are all things we learned from the first day. And on second day of MLC, we learned about the team assessment. Means how to evaluate your team, how the team is performing, what are the strong points in our team. And we learned a beautiful concept of 3 E's of success principle, like educating, engaging, and empowering. Because the traditional way of network marketing is no more possible to work in the future. So need to have a good strategy. So I believe this is a new strategy, and I learned from this academy that is 3 success principles that we can say is education. We are educating the people, empowering the people, and engaging so that they can be successful. One more beautiful thing I have learned, that is prospect bank. It's a beautiful format they have provided us. It's already formatted, already fitted with some tables. We need to put the data, and you will find a good prospect. Who are the prospects? Many more prospects you may have, many more candidate list you may have, but many people may not fit your requirement. So you need to have a good prospect bank, and thanks to MMBSc, they have provided a beautiful concept, beautiful structure, beautiful format to analyze the prospects, who to approach, whom to approach, and how to approach. It's very good, and we are thankful for that. Another concept is mind mapping, so that it's also beautiful new concept. But I have never aware of this thing, mind map and all. Through this, we can organize the team, we can control our team, we can see how the team is performing, which sector is needed to be respond, which team need to be more concentrated, need to be trained more, and which team is performing well, we can organize, we can analyze, so that we can focus on that, we can encourage them. And last, we learned about the action plan, how to execute the action plan in the second day. In the day 3 of MLC, we learned about a beautiful concept known as reflection. It's obvious. We learn from our experiences or observation, and by working, we can learn from the reflection also. Reflection means by thinking repeatedly about a happening, about an event. That also gives us experience to learn. So that new concept we have learned from this. We have learned things about changes, how we are reacting to a change in any organization. The people, we must have some resistance to accept the change. How to see the changes, how to, as a team leader, how you manage your team to accept the change unconditionally, so that the team can be benefited. Another concept I learned about SWOT analysis means through this technique we can analyze what are the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats in our team. So we can plan our strategy properly to be benefited. We can use our strength to achieve the opportunity. We can improve our weakness. We can improve our strength, and we can reduce the weakness to improvise. That also we can learn, and the threats to be defensed and to be protected. All things can be analyzed means before the action. That is SWOT analysis we have learned here. Another beautiful thing I learned is event organization planning. How do you organize the event before the organization, before the planning? What are the things to be taken care? What are the things to be noted? That also we learned the first time I'm doing in my life the event organization, and definitely I'm going to implement in them in future. To whenever I'm going to organize any event, I will go through this thing and I will plan accordingly so that the event can be successful and can be achievable. The same way, in the fourth day, the Rivalda is there, where what is the learning from the first day to 3 days, first to third day, we are going to implement in the fourth day. And the thing is that I'm happy that as per the assignment I have done my things. I have approached prospects, and I have I success to registered one member also, and the person started to the process agro purchasing. So really this system works, the learning works. So definitely I will go further, and I will develop my team, and I am looking for a very good team within 3 months to be a manager. So thank you Triple BSc for giving me this opportunity to learn from you, and I hope persons who are coming to the MLC will learn a lot, and they will experience a beautiful atmosphere of learning. And I'm very much thankful to all the participants for a beautiful bonding, and thankful to the mentor for experiencing, for binding us to learn, and for interaction and guiding us the way to learn the things. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Rameshwar and I am from India. I am a participant in Triple MBSc since 2 months. I have enrolled myself in a Triple MBSc Academy, so I could learn MLC course. Today I am here to tell you about today I am here to share my experience about Triple MLC course. Really guys, I want to tell you that really I have learned a lot of things over here. Firstly, I want to tell you that there are a lot of things you will learn here, like how to solve the problems, how to develop your team, how to transfer your vision in your team, how to give them a mission, how to give them a task, and how to monitor all these things through social media like Trello apps and lot of things, guys. I really want to thank Triple MBSc for giving me such a opportunity to enroll myself in MLC course, and I also invite all of you to just join MLC course, register yourself today. Thank you so much, Triple MBSc Academy.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Sachin Shinde from Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. I just want to tell you about this course which I finished from the Triple MBSc, where I have done the advanced course of Triple MBSc from Triple M Academy, and it was very helpful, very nice. We enjoy a lot, we learn a lot, and I have request everybody in the planet, in the global, in the world, has to take this advantage of learning at Triple M Academy and the ideology of Triple M, Sarji Marwadi. It will help you to grow in your own life, as well as it will make you the financially freedom which is needed to right now, because money which we needed, and the Triple M Academy, Triple M system will help you to earn that. And I really thanks to my alma mentor, who are from the Nigeria, Mr. Patrick's, Indian mentor Mr. Newton, Mr. Roshan, and all my teammates who helped me to learn this course and make me more comfortable, more confident to grow in my whole life, and I'll be always thankful for them. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Halo, ketemu lagi dengan saya Dedi, dan kali ini saya memberikan pengalaman ya, testimoni about my course tentang kursus ataupun sekolah online yang saya jalani untuk yang kedua kali setelah MBC dan saat ini MNC ya, Mavro Leader Course. Terima kasih buat kawan-kawan satu angkatan ya. Ini hari keempat nih, kita mau terakhir besok. Yang saya mau ceritakan di sini bahwasanya kita bukan hanya bicara tentang uang tapi kualitasnya. Kita belajar bagaimana memahami sistem, bagaimana perkembangan sistem, bagaimana sistem keuangan yang didasarkan dengan saling bantu itu terhubung melalui teknologi blockchain smart contract. Dan kita dididik pilihan sih sebenarnya akan ada setiap angkatan, dan bagi siapapun partisipan yang aktif yang sudah mempunyai PH itu boleh ikut ya. Dan untuk mengikuti Mavro Leader Course itu mereka harus mengikuti Mavro Basic Course, dan saya sangat senang sekali karena materi-materi yang saya dapatkan itu luar biasa. Dimulai dari bagaimana kita menjadi seorang leader, bagaimana kita menggunakan alat-alat yang secara online bisa kita kerjakan untuk promo ke seluruh dunia ya. Langkah-langkah apa, pengorganisasian dan sebagainya itu kita diajarkan selama 5 hari, dan tentu saja ini tidak bisa saya temukan di berbagai macam bisnis online yang rata-rata mereka bekerja secara offline untuk marketing, sementara kita diajarkan bagaimana kita melakukan perekrutan secara online itu dengan menggunakan alat-alat bantu yang mereka ajarkan. Dan terima kasih sekali lagi buat our mentor Mr. Patrick, thank you very much. Terus juga kawan-kawan yang saya tidak bisa sebutkan satu persatu, dan yang angkatan saya ini kebanyakan itu dari India, Nigeria ya, kebanyakan dari India. Dan semoga saja besok semuanya berjalan lancar. Sekali lagi terima kasih buat MMMDSC, MMMDSC di pengalaman yang luar biasa ya. Pengalaman kami belajar di Mavro Leader Course. Oke, cuman itu aja, dan sangat menyenangkan. Saya sangat enjoy this Mavro Leader Course. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you MMSC, thank you mentor Mr. Patrick. See you and bye.
Halo guys, saya Ahmad Haryono dari Indonesia. Saya Mavrodian sejak tahun 2015. Tetapi saya benar-benar merasakan kehebatan ideologi Sergei Mavrodi ini ya saat ini. MMMBSC lah yang menjadi penerus dari ideologi Sergei yang asli dan menjadi pionir dalam mengorganisir kegiatan-kegiatan yang bersifat saling memberi di antara orang-orang biasa, yang selanjutnya dinamakan PH dan GH. Sebelum ini saya menerima informasi tentang MMM itu biasanya dari orang per orang, tetapi di MMMBSC justru memiliki lembaga pendidikan yang namanya MMM BSC Academy. Inilah hebatnya MMM BSC. Ini merupakan salah satu keunggulan MMM BSC. Saya memang sudah lulus menempuh pendidikan di MMM BSC tingkat pertama yang dinamakan dengan MBC, Mavro Basic Course. Dan kini saya sedang menempuh tahap kedua, tahap lanjutan, yakni MLC Course atau Mavro Leadership Course. Menurut saya baik MBC ataupun MLC adalah sebuah model pendidikan yang luar biasa, di mana mengintegrasikan antara kemampuan peserta didik dengan teori-teori leadership kekinian, teori leadership yang baru. Tetapi bagi saya mengikuti pendidikan di MMM BSC Academy ini memiliki hambatan. Hambatannya adalah soal bahasa. Semuanya menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Tetapi kemampuan bahasa Inggris saya terbatas. Bahasa Inggris saya adalah bahasa Inggris pasif, di mana saya hanya bisa membaca dan mengartikan, tetapi tidak cakap di dalam berbicara atau berkomunikasi menggunakan bahasa Inggris ini. Tetapi no problem, proses belajar tetap bisa saya ikuti dengan baik. Semoga saya bisa berhasil, bisa lulus di tingkat MLC ini. MMM BMC, MMM BSC, yes. Terima kasih.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Jayaprakash Verma and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. I would also like to thank each one of you for subscribing to my channel and for encouraging me to develop more and more content for all of you. Friends, in today's video, I am going to discuss about a leadership course that I have just now finished. This course was conducted by MMM BSC Academy, and the objective of this course was to develop effective leadership and team building. And as per the objective of this course, I would like to say that this course is really a 24 karat gold. Friends, this program of leadership was divided into 5 days spanning into the different modules. So I am just giving you a brief that what we have discussed in each of the module. Like the module number 1, we have discussed about the basics of leadership. We have discussed that a leader is a reader. A good leader need to update himself with each and every day. He need to update himself with the latest technologies, the latest happenings of the environment, and the latest skills that can be incorporated and nurtured. So in the first day, we have discussed about how to develop a vision for the team. And we have not only covered the theories, like I along with my colleagues, we have developed the entire plan, the course of action of how a leader can, in any organization, how a leader can develop a action plan for achieving any goal, because that is what leadership is. Leadership is more about influencing others to achieve a common objective. People say that leaders are born, but I believe that leaders are made. And these kind of courses are very helpful in making leaders. So coming back to the topic, that is in module 1, we have discussed about how to create a leadership skill in you. We have discussed how to develop a mission, vision and values for your team.
a leader need to create a system which is replicable, because the true test of leadership is if you are successful in creating a leader under you. So the system need to be developed in such a manner that it should be replicable, it should be copied, it should be duplicable, right? So that the people who are in the lower hierarchy, they also get a chance to elevate themselves, to handle greater responsibilities with time, right? So there are a number of characteristics of an effective leader that we have discussed, and how to develop those characteristics in you. There are some practical tools that we have developed. So if you want to know more about this, I would love to make a video for that, right? We have discussed how to make a goal for the team, and this goal is a SMART goal. SMART here stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. So this SMART goal was developed by each of the leaders who were present for that course, because after a span of time we have achieved a position of leadership in Triple MBSc. We are now having a team under us, and this team is encouraging us to become better and better with each and every day. So after doing this goal setting exercise, we have learned the difference between training, coaching, and mentoring. And yes, these three are not same. Training, mentoring, and coaching are some of the skills that every leader should learn. How to train their team, how to coach their team, and how to mentor them. So it's been rightly said that a leader is a good mentor. So we have learned about the different techniques, the different tools of becoming a good mentor. Then we have discussed about the conditions of learning, in which we have brainstormed and thought about two very important conditions for learning. Number one is the person must be interested to learn. Otherwise, it's no point discussing facts and figures and information with that person. So that interest needs to be created. He needs to be motivated for learning. And number two, that person needs to be engaged. So we have designed a tool through which we can make any skills to be learnable by team members. We can motivate the team members to learn those skills, and at the same time we have developed a practical framework in which we can involve them or engage them into the team. Finally, in module 1 we have discussed about the directional skills, in which we have discussed the theory given by Professor Edward Deming about PDCA, that is plan, do, check, and action. And then we have discussed some of the problem solving skills, how to solve a problem in a creative way, how to get out of a situation which is holding you back in a very innovative way, in a very creative way. We have discussed about all those frameworks. And each day of this module is covered by or is followed by the number of practical exercises which needed to be completed in the next 24 hours. So actually this module were very exhaustive, because it keeps you engrossed and engaged for entire 24 hours, right? So coming to the second day, we have learned about the team building skills, in which we have learned that what is the real meaning of team. And the real meaning of team is together everyone achieves more. So we need to develop a synergy in a team so that people can collaborate with each other, people can cooperate with each other to achieve a common objective. So this common objective is about the vision, is about the goal, is about the action plan that we have developed a day before. And now we started to discuss about how to develop this sense of collaboration in a team. And for this also we have developed some practical frameworks. So if you want to learn more about it, I would love to discuss, and I would love to develop a content for this practical framework, so that you can also implement it with your team, and you can make that team more and more productive, right? So after learning about this collaboration, how to collaborate in a team, we have learned about the skills of recruitment. The recruitment means recruiting a team member. How to do a proper recruitment so that your team can become rich and rich with each and every passing day. And after recruiting a team member, we have discussed the some skills of prospecting a customer, prospecting a client. So how to do that prospecting? For that also we have make a framework. After that, we have discussed a very practical tool about mind mapping. Yes friends, you are getting me right. It is about mind mapping, how to map the mind of the prospects. So in a chart we have prepared some maps. These practical tools are very helpful for each and every team player. How to mind mapping about a client, about a prospect is very important. And finally, we have made an action plan for the next 2 or 3 months, keeping an objective in our hand that how stepwise we can work to achieve these objectives. Finally, we have learned about some of the very important skills that a leader should need or should develop in them, and the skills are the supporting skills are the time management skills, the communication skills, the presentation skills, the active listening skills, and how to manage the marketing event. Every task, every topic, every theory that we have learned in this module was supported by or followed by some practical examples. So we ourselves, I along with my colleagues in this leadership program, we have developed number of practical frameworks which are worth learning. So to summarize this video, I would like to thank each and every person who have helped in developing this exhaustive module of this leadership course of 5 days. I would like to thank each one of my colleagues who have participated and coordinated, so that we have come out with a lot of productive learning, we have come out with a lot of productive tools, we have brainstormed and come up with a lot of different aspects of leadership. I would like to thank my mentor who, sitting in another country with the use of technology, has helped us to become a better leader. And last but not the least, I would like to thank the Almighty for giving this opportunity at the right time to me, at the right happy. God bless all of you. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ मनोज सिंह और मैं वाराणसी इंडिया से बिलोंग करता हूं। आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूं जो मैंने MBSC एकेडमी में MLC कोर्स में सीखा है। और ये 5 दिन का कोर्स था जिसमें हमें मेनली लीडरशिप के बारे में बताया गया और हम लीडर कैसे बन सकते हैं, उनके लिए हमारा गोल सेट होना चाहिए, लीडरशिप के प्रिंसिपल और मोटिवेट करने की कला होनी चाहिए। सबसे पहले हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव होना चाहिए कि जिसके बिना हम कोई भी अचीवमेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं। और इसके साथ साथ हमारा विज़न, मिशन, वैल्यू भी होना चाहिए। हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हमें जाना कहाँ है और हमारा गोल क्या है। मिशन, विज़न और वैल्यू होने के साथ साथ एक लीडर को पार्टिसिपेंट के सही डायरेक्शन की जानकारी रहेगी और ये तीनों चीज़ें ज़बरदस्त टूल हैं। हमें अपने टीम का विज़न बनाना चाहिए जिससे पूरी टीम इसमें इनकरेज रहेगी और वो अपने कंफर्ट जोन से के बाउंड्रीज से बाहर निकलकर काम करेगी। एक सक्सेसफुल लीडर बनने के लिए उसे कभी एजुकेशन, ट्रेनिंग और सेल्फ स्टडी नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए। एक सक्सेसफुल लीडर जन्म से पैदा नहीं होता, ये मैंने यहाँ पे सीखा, और अपने आत्मबल और डिज़ायर से बनता है। हमें ये भी सीखने को मिला कि गोल तक पहुंचने के लिए हमें 6 स्टेप को फॉलो करना चाहिए जो बहुत ही आसानी से और टाइम से अपने गोल तक पहुंच सकते हैं। इसके लिए विज़न, गोल, ऑब्जेक्टिव, टास्क, टाइमलाइन और फॉलोअप लगातार करते रहना चाहिए। इस कोर्स में हमें मेंटरिंग, लर्निंग के बारे में भी सिखाया गया और हमने सीखा डायरेक्शनल स्किल की सही दिशा में अगर हम अपना प्लान और गोल बनाकर काम करते हैं तो अपना मुकाम तक पहुंच सकते हैं। सही प्लान करके काम की शुरुआत करें, इसमें इन्वॉल्व रहना और टीम के साथ क्या करेगा, कौन क्या करेगा, हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं और क्या होगा अगर ये सब नहीं करेंगे, कब शुरू करेंगे, कब ख़त्म होगा, कहाँ पर और कैसे होगा और हमें क्यों करना चाहिए। ये सब बातें सेट करके टास्क को करेंगे तो अचीवमेंट निश्चित ही मिलेगी। एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ सीखी हमने, जो लीडर हर प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग प्रोसेस और टेक्निक भी सीखा। मोटिवेशनल भी बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक था कि हमें अपने आसपास को कैसे मोटिवेट करें। लिसन, उसमें 6 चीज़ें आती हैं। लिसन, और उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछें, उनके बातों को ध्यान से सुनें, उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछें, आप ये क्यों करना चाहते हैं, ये कब से आपका सपना था जो अभी तक पूरा नहीं हुआ। इनकरेज करें। ड्रीम, उनका ड्रीम पूछें, ड्रीम ज़रूर पूछें क्योंकि ड्रीम ही उसके लिए वो काम करेगा। पूछें कैसे वो आप उसकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं। फॉलोअप करें, समय समय पर फॉलोअप करें। सेकंड मॉड्यूल में हमने जो है टीम वर्क के बारे में सीखा। टीम वर्क मतलब ग्रुप के पीपल को एक साथ मिलकर काम करने, एक कॉमन पर्पस के लिए, इसे हम टीम वर्क कहते हैं। और टीम वर्क करने के लिए हमें मिशन, गोल और स्ट्रेटजी बनाना पड़ता है। टीम वर्क के फ़ायदे ये होते हैं कि हाई क्वालिटी आउटपुट मिलता है, कम समय में किसी काम को ख़त्म किया जा सकता है, इफेक्टिव वर्क होता है, अच्छे आइडियाज़ मिलते हैं, ठीक है। और इसके साथ साथ कोलैबोरेशन स्किल भी सीखा। कोलैबोरेशन का मतलब होता है किसी काम को उसके गोल तक पहुंचाने के लिए एक से अधिक लोगों का मिलकर काम करना। टीम बिल्डिंग के नए तरीके सीखे। टीम ग्रोथ में जाना कि जिसमें 3 E's होते हैं सक्सेस के लिए, जो कि एजुकेट, एम्पावर्ड और इंगेज होते हैं। प्रॉस्पेक्टिंग के नए तरीके सीखे। प्रॉस्पेक्टिंग का मतलब होता है नए मेंबर्स और पार्टिसिपेंट को अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में लाना। प्रॉस्पेक्टिंग के तरीके सीखे, जैसे उनको वार्म ईमेल करना, कॉल करना, गूगल स्प्रेडशीट के द्वारा, ट्विटर के द्वारा। यूनिक चीज़ सीखी इसमें माइंड मैपिंग, जिससे किसी भी दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है ये जान सकते हैं। कैसे इफेक्टिव अपॉइंटमेंट सेट कर सकते हैं, अपॉइंटमेंट सेट करना भी सीखा। एक्शन प्लान, कैसे चेकलिस्ट बनाकर स्टेप बाय स्टेप काम करते हुए अपने गोल को अचीव किया जा सकता है। मॉड्यूल 3 में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ सीखी जो है सपोर्टिंग स्किल्स, मार्केटिंग, नए तरीके मार्केटिंग के, और सोशल मीडिया स्किल्स में कैसे हम और अच्छी तरह काम कर सकते हैं। इवेंट प्लान, ये बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त चीज़ सीखी जिसमें इवेंट प्लान हम कैसे कर सकते हैं। इतनी सारी चीज़ें सीखने के बाद ये निश्चित है कि मैं 3 महीने में अपने मैनेजर पोस्ट और मैनेजर लेवल तक पहुंचूंगा MMBSC में। और मैं थैंक करता हूं MMBSC एकेडमी का और अपने मेंटर पैट्रिक और मेरे बाकी कलीग्स का, जिनके वजह से ये मुझे मौका मिला और मैं इन सारी चीज़ों में एजुकेशन नॉलेज ले पाया। थैंक्स टू ऑल।